This dance is called Patient Heart. It's a 48 count, 2 wall, intermediate level line dance with 3 tags. Starting on our right foot, walk forward, right, left. Shuffle forward on the right, step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn right into a cross shuffle. That section once more, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle. From here we're going to make 3/4 of a turn over our left shoulder. So make a quarter turn as you step the right back, further half a turn as you step the left forward. Shuffle forward on the right, step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn right into an extended lock step, heading to the diagonal of 10:30. So we go step, lock, step, lock, step. So that section once more then, 3/4 of a turn, right foot leading, 7, 8, turn, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, step, lock, step, lock, step. Now if you don't wish to do that 3/4 of a turn, you can do a quarter turn right, as you step forward on the right, step forward on the left, then go into your right shuffle, step pivot into your step locks. Alternative steps if you don't wish to do that 3/4. From the top then, walk forward, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, step, lock, step, lock, step. Okay, we're going to do another sequence of steps now, which in essence is going to make a full turn. So I'll go through the turning version as choreographed, and then I'll give you an alternative set, should you wish to take all these turns out. So you're going to kick your right forward as you square yourself up to 9 o'clock. Kick, ball, turn. So we're going to make a quarter turn at the end. So once we've kicked, we're going to kick the right again. Kick, ball, quarter turn right as you step the left to the side. Scuff the right forward, make a quarter turn right as you step the right to the forward. Scuff the left and make a half turn right and step back on that left. So I'll do that once more. So squaring ourselves up to 9 o'clock. So it's kick, kick, ball, turn, scuff, back. So as you can see, we're facing 9 o'clock again, which is where we started. So if you don't wish to do that turn, you can kick, kick, ball, change, scuff, back, because effectively that's the direction that you're moving in when you're doing the turn. Okay, so let's add that to the top. Walk, walk off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, step, lock, step, kick, kick, ball, turn, scuff, back. Give myself a little bit more room. So from here we're going to do a couple of shuffle steps. So right shuffle forward, left shuffle forward. Into some jazz jumps. So we're going to jazz jump forward, right left, and back, right left. Once you get back into this position, heel bounces twice. So that section once more then, right shuffle, half on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, jump, up, bounce, bounce. Let's add that to the top. Walk, walk off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, step, lock, step, kick, kick, ball, turn, scuff, back, right shuffle, left shuffle, just jump, bounce, bounce. Scuff your right heel into a toe strut and some bounces combined. So you're going to scuff, step that toe forward as you lower, lift and lower. So that's where the bounce comes in. So it's a scuff into a toe strut and a bounce on the end. Repeat with the left. Scuff, toe strut and bounce. So that's all there is in that section. So let's just do that once more then. Off on that right, 7, 8, scuff, toe, strut and bounce, stuff, toe, strut and bounce. That's easy to say. Scuff, toe, strut and bounce. One more section left, so let's add that to the top. Walk, walk off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, step, lock, step, kick, kick, ball, turn, scuff, back, right shuffle, left shuffle, just jump, bounce, scuff, toe, strut and bounce, stuff, cuffs. Yeah, I can't say it more than once. Scuff, toe, strut and bounce. To end the dance then, kick ball change on the right, kick ball turn, step pivot half, step pivot half. Again, if you don't want to do that double step pivot half, rocking chair. So that last section once more then, off on the right. 7, 8, kick ball change, kick ball turn, step pivot, pivot. Put it on the top. I'll go all the way through now. Walk off on the right. 7, 8, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, step, lock, step, kick, ball, turn, scuff, back, right shuffle, left shuffle, just jump, bounce, scuff, toe, strut and bounce, scuff, toe, strut and bounce. Kick, ball change, kick, ball turn, step, pivot. I managed to say it that time. It's probably a one-off. Okay, so that is your dance. Let me now go through it with the counts. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a two-wall dance. Let's have a go at the back wall and keep going when we get to the front so you can see the walls joining together. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, step, lock, step, kick, ball, turn, scuff, back, right shuffle, left shuffle, just jump, bounce, toe struts, Toe struts and bounces. Kick, ball change, kick, ball turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, step, step, kick, ball turn, scuff, back, right shuffle, left shuffle, just jump, bounce, toe strut bounces, kick, ball change, kick, ball turn, step, pivot. Okay, so that's your dance and your walkthrough. But there are 3 tags in this dance. They come at the ends of walls 3, 6, and 8. 3, 6, and 8. So the first one on wall 3, you'll be facing the front wall when you start. You'll finish wall 3, you'll be facing the back wall. Wall 6 and 8 are the reverse, so you'll be doing the tag when you face the front wall. So when you get to the tags, it's a 16 count tag. So you start off on the right foot, step the right to the side, cross the left behind, chassé to the right. Kick, ball change twice on that left foot. Kick, ball change, kick, ball change. When you go back to the left, you're going to put a turn in it. If you don't wish to do the turn, which is going to make it equivalent to a full turn, it's a bit like doing a rolling vine, just do a side behind chassé exactly the same as what we've just done to get to the right, but you're doing the mirror image going to the left. If you're turning, you'll make a quarter of a turn left as you step the left forward, half a turn left as you step that right back into a chassé, but you put a quarter turn on the front, quarter chassé, and a couple of kick ball changes to finish. So that's your tag. So just do that once more. Half on the right. 7, 8, side behind, right chassé, kick ball change, turn, chassé, kick ball change. Your timing on the tag. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So that's your tag, ends of walls 3, 6 and 8. You can hear it in the music. I'll try and shout it out at the same time. So wall 3, it's the first time you get back to the front wall. You do your tag facing the back. The other 2, your tag is at the front. So that's your dance, your walk through, your tag information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Six, 7, 8, walk through, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, step, kick ball, turn, step, back, right shuffle, left shuffle, jump, roll back, toe, scrub, bounces, kick ball change, kick ball turn, step, walk, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, turn, right shuffle, step, kick ball turn, step turns, right shuffle, left shuffle, jumps, toes and bounces, kick ball change, kick ball turn, step, walk. Left shuffle, nice.
You got every reason to complain. Anybody else might have gone insane.
Tag, side behind, chassé, kick ball change, turn chassé, kick ball change.
I'm trying to find a way to break the news. I never counted on my horse to lose. Though I promised we could take the town. You know I never meant to let you down. I guess I missed.
Hope you managed, that's one of my favourites.